Good early evening, ladies and gentlemen. All right, now we have Tokyo session just beginning. Well, just opened up at about 25 minutes ago. So we have just some things we've drawn out earlier. Well, usually, as of right now, the pair we keep seeing or keep eyeing out would be the US dollar pegged against the Japanese yen. All right, so clearly we have a strong downtrend. Like this is a very strong from here, shoo, all the way here. Higher highs, higher lows, consistently. Even when we created this, we were not able to break out above these two candles. So like a higher low and then a lower low. I mean a lower high and then a lower low. And then another lower high, and we've already broken past this point of liquidity, and we just tapped into this from earlier this morning. So this is on the 1 hour. Now, if we go 4 hours, you could clearly say, well, aren't we on a uptrend, but we're just ranging down within an uptrend? Also partially true. Could very well be the case. And this little valley could be the break of structure, the change of market sentiment, change of like market structure, the low, high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and this could very well be the higher low. So, and how could we make sure? I don't know. Well, last Friday we ended the week off over here. Sunday we opened up up here. So we do have this 4 hour fair value gap sitting right over here. Not sure if we have it marked, do we? Uh, we have a couple 4 hour fair value gaps marked, but not that one, which is interesting, but we'll mark it up right now. So there's a lot of drawings. You might be confused if you don't know what it is we're looking at, but a 4 hour from over there. This is a older 1 hour. We have another 4 hour. Right up until here. Just quick fix. All right. So we have this 4 hour right here. Scale down to the 1 hour. You know what? Maybe I gotta make this a different color just so it can stand out a little bit. Oh, this is the text. Yeah, right here. So this 4 hour and then this 1 hour, also find a way to make it stand out a little bit. I don't know, but point is, all right, so we got a deep retracement. And look, like in the last 1 hour, retraced all the way, swept liquidity, did not invalidate our order block, respected this 4 hour channel, respected the 1 hour channel inside it as well. So we can draw 1 hour from here to the same area. Here, why don't we do that? Or you know what, we'll just copy this. Or how do I? Okay. The command button is the third one. All right. Okay. Perfect. So here we have the same area. All right. Okay. Sweet. So even this 1 hour has been respected so far. So these 4 hour, 1 hour have been respected. This 4 hour has also been respected. This 1 hour is, so there's a lot of fair value gaps that it's tapping into. As it's trending downwards, there's a lot of fair value gaps that it's tapping into. So I get tapped here into the first 4 hour and 1 hour, mooned up. Now it's tapped into it again. It swept this liquidity, forming a new order block. Now should be a 1 hour order block here. I don't know why we can't see it. Yeah, right there. Maybe switch it to 1 hour. All right, so we have a 1 hour OB here. And it's in the discount or on the bottom half of the order block. Price is still in it, has not fully disrespected it. This might be a really risky trade actually, but if we decide to enter, now we do have a 15-minute breakage structure to the upside. So here we're not going with the trend, we're going against the trend. So it's trending downwards. We're trying to catch this up move where, well, this morning there was CPI news, so it was bad news for the US dollar. So actually, maybe it is good. So here, let me just check Forex Factory. PPI came out negative 0.4% when the forecast was 0.3, so in the negative instead of positive. Core retail sales came out at 0.1 instead of 0.3. PPI came out at negative 0.5 instead of 0.2. And retail sales came out at 0.1 instead of 0. But the previous was what? So, maybe I should share my screen. Essentially, speaker. But you know what? Unfortunately, market doesn't really respect news a lot these days. But so here you could see all of the above. So news is all negative when forecast is 0 or positive, and previously it was over 0 or above these select targets. Not PPI, but we don't care about PPI. Okay, let me go back to the chart. Okay, so feels like we should be selling. Whoa, where is that? That's 15-minute. Yeah. So we have it's 15-minute BOS. Maybe it's retracing, then it'll go up. Well, since we have a 15-minute BOS, technically speaking, I do have my entry model sitting right now. So we have liquidity, swept, order block, prices in the bottom half of the order block, which coincides with 1 hour, 4 hour, multiple fair value gaps. So this is a 15-minute OB. Where'd our 1 hour go? Oh yeah, it's hidden on that time frame. But yeah, in our 15-minute OB, which it is still respecting. So you could see it wicked below, came right back up, and then it wicked below again, came right back up. Not as much as the first time around, but something to note, somewhat important. Oh, it's real sunny here today. It's kind of beautiful. 750 GDP growth rate. What? Why do I not know this? Probably not red folder news. Not even orange folder. Well, yellow folder. GDP price index. Forecast 3.2. or the preliminary GDP quarter over quarter. Negative -0.1 is the forecast, but yeah, negative -0.1. Well, not extremely important, really. Let's see what's going on. Hmm. Forex Live. Dip in PPI pulls down, yeah, unfortunately. Okay, folks, just getting a phone call. I'll be right back. There we have it, boys and girls. The move's coming. Get ready. Oh, fuck it, we'll enter. Tuck stops. What are the stops looking like? 480. Maybe we could tuck it a bit lower. Yeah, because this is how chart really looks. But we've got a couple resistance points here. It's really difficult to nail this reversal because of the strength of the downtrend. I'll be right back. All right. Are we already in profit? Oh, if this breaks a trend, ooh, ooh, this is good, cuzzo. Damn, this is what we've been waiting for this whole time. It's like we waited for it here, waited for it there, waited. Look, same shit. It just keeps trailing downwards. Oh, come on. Break the freaking trend, mate. No, no, no. What are you doing? Oh, no. Stop respecting it, bro. Stop respecting it, man. All right. Mm. Mm. Well, we'll draw something relevant, which is so 1 minute trends. Will just show us. Yeah, we're fucking broke it. Yes. 1 minute. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Maybe trail down a little bit. Oh yeah. Maybe come. First 40 minutes of Tokyo session have. They showed us the hand that we're looking for. I'm just gonna rotate to the other screen. Okay. Oh, that's perfect because if it bounces back off of this bearish line or even off of this bullish line, so long as, well, this is a really like old, strong trend line that's been holding for quite some time. Let's see. Yeah, it's this one. Oh man. So it's been holding for days since it's the tippity top. Wow. And it's still going. Jeez. Since, what is that? Tuesday. Oh, I'm on the fucking 1 minute, bro. Maybe we should close this. Hmm. Oh, bro. If it breaks. Come on. Oh, okay, we don't need this one anymore. Oh, come on. Can nail it for me. Yeah, I can easily touch this level. Easy. 60 pips, that's like nothing. Okay, now we'll go and check our friends at the indexes just to see if we have some sort of sync between the data and okay, so this is okay, not bad. Well, let's see about this bullish line. Oh, that's a clean one. Oh, that's a clean one. Oh. Oh, that's so clean. Yeah. All right. So if this is gonna go up, But as of right now, same dilemma is that it's still going down, right? So, UJ has been pretty difficult to predict the last few days, I'd say. But if you look at the fundamentals, it's all bearish and maybe just difficult for me to trade, but I just didn't think it would be that deep of a reacher. And then as this goes up, UJ would go up. And as this goes up, UJ would go down. So it's not really the best right now. Like, especially here in the morning, we would have wanted it to. Well, hey, you see, this is the weekend gap that we're talking about. Where is it? Yeah. Same point in time, this gap right here. But it really, like, UJ does look bullish overall. I need a better mouse. This shit sucks. Um, yeah, okay. So there we have it, folks, ladies and gentlemen of my streaming subscribers. All right, okay. Well, it's pretty much it. So we have a 5-minute break structure, 15-minute break structure. We have liquidity sweep, reversal into the order block, bounce off of multiple imbalances. Therefore, maybe you could say like these are clearly filled, but then this one's been filled and which is stronger than the 1 hour, but this one's been filled one twice so far. I don't think we'll if we go down here, like fuck man, maybe I should not trade UJ. If this is the case, maybe I should not trade UJ. Cause yeah, cause then like I don't fucking know. Mm, I don't know. If it comes down and it genuinely like, bro, like look at this shit. So I'm talking about. So on the 15, we can see the 30, which is 110 hour. Wow. There we have it. All right, boys. 1 second. I'm getting a call. I'll be right back. gentlemen. All right. Done with the phone calls. Just, bro, this is a little bit upsetting to be honest. I mean, it's moving nice, but if we see same key things happening again and again and again and again, where it trends up and then it goes down. So like, let's briefly see how much did it go. So like 60 pips, 70 pips, not much. Like what is this? 550, and then so it's a repetitive pattern with UJ is when you get to the bottom, or in this case, yeah, you get to the bottom and you want to reverse. Really is difficult because, for example, this low has been tested, gone, been tested again, but this low has not been tested. Maybe the difference is about, I don't know how many pips, but difference is 420 and 430. It's about 1 pip, so it's 10 delta, 10 points, which is, oh yeah, okay, shit. See, this is what I mean. It's that it'll break, like for example, this trend line or that trend line. It'll break trend lines, and then it'll just do its thing. So, or like break a downward trend and go right back in it. Like here, breaks it to the upside, goes right back down. Here, breaks it to the, like this trend from here to here, breaks it, goes right down, and again here. I wouldn't even call this a true break. Actually, we're on what, 3 minute? Look at it on a 5 minute. It closes above it once, closes above it twice, and now it's right back on. The But this is actually a key area that we just mentioned earlier in the stream, which is essentially, I mean, I know this is at 8 to 1, but my real stop loss would be here, first and foremost, or maybe even here. So call it a 5 to 1. How many points is that? 530 to, yeah, about 13 pips, 130 points, but for the time being here. So this is right back to where we didn't want it to go. However, maybe this is another entry point for me. So 557 and 67s. This might be it actually. Here we'll buy. Boom. And there we have it, folks. Now we have truly entered into the position. So maybe 76. So just about here at this point. And then, yeah, well, okay, this is 76. And then 420. I don't want to say 420. I want to say 480. Yeah, just above the breakage structure. This is where we have our 5 minute breakage structure, our 15, which is stronger, and then our 30, which I don't. Yes, we have about a minute left on that. So it's not look. I marked it out ahead of time, but it's not looking too good. We had a lot of bullish momentum for the last hour since Tokyo opened, but it's not looking real good at the moment. Ouch! Yo, bro. Whoa! Whoa! What? See, this is what I mean with UJ. This is just this pain after pain after pain. Non-stop pain. Give us the close above the 30, man. Like, come on. It's not that it means anything. Look, a close above 30 comes down. You have 10 seconds to do 5 pips. Go, bro. 5 seconds. Go, 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 go. You stop me out for no reason? Fucking hell, bro. Come on. Oh my days, bro. This important intersection. Well, still above the bearish trend line with our stops at 5.0, 480. I mean, like, why? We needed a strong close on 30-minute, and we did not. Oh, there's still 29.5 minutes. If only this movement happened a little bit ago. See, I gotta remind myself that I gotta let price come to me. I don't want to go to price. Well, the worst part about this is that, like, has not been an easy week, trading wise. It's been real difficult, a lot of losses. And this is, I'd say, this is a considerable position. We're risking about, let me just see what. So based on our current account status, oh my goodness, man. Oh, the chart is fucking ruining me, man. Okay. Well, next on the agenda is GJ should be bullish. Hey, the bro got it. Hey, the bro got it. Hey, the bro waited and waited and waited. And kaboom! I just don't know why he didn't take this trade. Or did he? Yeah, he did. No. So is this in a 1 hour? Oh, it is a 1 hour fair value gap that he was eyeing. Oh, come on. What the fried, bro? What? One fucking candle. A 20 pip candle, bro. Like, what is this shit? Now it's going up? You freaking kidding me. I fucking stopped out like a Duca. Oh, maybe it's because we forgot to say Bismillah when we put in the trade. Goodness. Well, I don't get it sometimes. What's it doing? What is it doing? Help me understand. God. Just move 30 pips. 140. What kind of a retracement is this? Ah, to the bottom of the 1 at 4 hour? Bro, what in the world? Should I just fuck all of this and sell? Should I fuck everything and sell? I don't know. Yo, man, you're kidding me. Just trying to listen to this voice note. Boys, I took the biggest risk possible. Am I even on mute? No, I'm not. I took the fattest risk. I took the maybe arguably the dumbest risk. That was not smart. Damn. 145. I feel like it wants to go down to 145. I entered right about here, but I don't think I should have done it. I'm gonna close just to save my ass. Okay, I closed at break even. Well, I think I got away like scot free because that was like a revenge trade moment, and I feel like it's just retracing so it can moon down some more. I feel like I've seen this a million times with UJ. If I draw what I want to draw, which is like let's just say from here to here, yeah, probably very uncertain with this pair right now. It's giving me a lot of headaches. It's just, you know. Yeah, my partner just shot me a text. 3 dots. He knows. He knows. He knows. He knows, bruh. Jeez. See, I'm kind of at this moment. I'm glad I closed. Break even, but I don't really care. Even if I entered and I got in a profit, it's just this. There's a video I was watching today about how when it shows this, it gives us a deeper retracement before it catapults upwards. I'm not really too sure right now.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. كيف؟ إن شاء الله يا جماعة. الحمد لله.
You must be kidding me right now. What am I seeing? What am I seeing? Well, it's just gonna keep mooning down. Like, I swear to God, if it comes down to here, I think like 145. I swear I think like 145 is such a valid target for tonight. And then it after by midnight. So we have about like 3 more hours. Well, 1 more hour of volume. So I think volume is going to take this down here. And then we're going to have the catapult. Should I delete this? I think that one deserves to be deleted. And this one could be right here. That it matters anyways. Like, well, it doesn't really matter. UJ does what UJ wants. This is what's in the 1 hour. So if I get a 15-minute break structure, yeah, we're so far from getting a 15-minute break structure here. So many lessons learned from the last couple of days. Like even this 1 hour invalidated. Oh, we have a 4 hour here. So these are the two 1 hours, which correspond to maybe this 4 hour. 4 hour, the first 1 hour, and then this 1 hour corresponds to this 4 hour. It's funny. They're sitting a little funny. Okay, well, trickles here. Yeah, easily. Sell it to 145.
While the committee conducts its business, cap hallway.
Ben, why are you getting arrested?
Move down the hallway. You will be arrested. Poor kids in Gaza by buying bombs and pays for it by kicking kids off Medicaid in the U.S. Keep going down. Keep going down the hallway.
What did you say in there, Ray?
I said that Congress is paying to bomb poor kids in Gaza and paying for it by kicking poor kids off Medicaid in the U.S.
Don't look any closer. Stop. Yep, I'm ready. Stop. Everybody stop.
Headed.
You heard that, boys and girls?
I pray and I fast.
U.S. Congress is a terrorist state.
I deal with riba, and my weddings are all haram, my funerals all haram. I pray and I fast. And we eliminated akhlaq from our life. Even though, Ya Rasulullah, my neighbor prays qiyam every night and fast every day. But Ya Rasulullah, she hurts her neighbor with her tongue. Hiya fi nar. She's in the hellfire. She's doing everything that we are doing, me and you and everybody. Praying, and no, she's better than us. She's doing extra qiyam and extra siyam. But he has no akhlaq. Islam to us, that's it. We fast and we pray. I don't connect with my family. I have a relationship with my parents. I stole my sister's inheritance. Something so. And this is what we are missing in our community. The character.
Hola a todos, ¿cómo están? Estamos acá en la residencia.
Federico Valverde.
Y acá nos espera. Un abrazo a todos. Comment qu'elle va, ma jeune demoiselle qui recherche un mec mortel, un mec qui pourra lui donner des ailes. Est-ce que c'est le cas de dire viol, mon bébé? C'est le moment de danser. Fais-moi un câlin avec ton long cou. Moi je t'aime. Des bisous. Je sais que tu aimes aussi. Ouais, ma petite coquine. Ballon. Pour moi, vraiment pour moi. J'ai plus que la libre, j'ai plus que la libre, j'ai plus que la libre. C'est pas mal, c'est pas mal. Allez, donne-moi. Comment? La magie. Oui, poca cosa,
What are we seeing here? What are we seeing? Like, sun is setting is beautiful, but like, what are we seeing? I don't understand it. I don't get it, bro. This is like the biggest manipulation of market standards set in the last 50 years. God dang it. Okay, in the meantime, today is May 15th, Tokyo session. Oh. And it's, how is it doing that? It's like, why is it doing that to me? I did nothing to you, Jay, but be. Oh well, it is what it is, you know. But I think that calls it, folks. That's it. We're done. Because if I were to wait for this to start ranging, I'd be waiting until like maybe like 9:30, 10.30. The bare minimum, this, like, I didn't take the short, where maybe I should have taken the short, but yeah, like from here to here, yeah, but there was no 15-minute fair value gap. Like, if you're gonna count this as a 15-minute fair value gap between here, let me see, 560 and 545, like 560 and 545. Yeah, that's wrong. 545, 560, like this. Yeah, that's wrong. Yeah. Okay, that settles our Tokyo session for the day. Thank you for tapping in, and we'll come back stronger. I mean, we've already, besides this trade, I can delete this. Lost this trade today, lost this earlier today. But last night we were so close to TP, it wicked us out and then went to hit our take profit. So I don't know. I don't like things, just they're not making all that much sense right now, but it is what it is. I'm not sure, but yeah. And there we have it. Boom, what a move. As we're closing out the session, we have that move occur. Holy shit. Holy shit. There's no, you know what? Since I said 145, I'm going to set the liquidity at 145. Yeah, just perfect. Because this is going to come here. So we're only 25 pips away. 250 points, baby food. But yep, that's it, folks. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. And as always, alhamdulillah.